Hey everybody, Heather from Pickin here. These are boxes from 888 Lots, and they're actually not the ones that are being shipped from the Amazon warehouse. So 888 Lots changed some things, but these are the traditional 888 Lots loads. So they get shipped from the warehouse. They're kind of like single items, but you have to buy all of whatever the single item is. So if they have 100 of something, you have to buy all 100. If they have 2 of something, you buy 2. So we're going to find out what exactly got ordered, and why, and we're going to unbox all 3 of these big boxes. Alright, we're going to just start down here with the closest one. See what all we have in here.
Always do a great job taping.
They do. They do. Stuff usually arrives in good condition from them.
They've got to have a machine that does that. It looks too good.
Can't be a People's.
That's what we need. We need a machine.
We do need a machine.
Taping machine.
One day. Ooh, that is cool.
Look at that.
This is perfect for back to school. Hold on, I'm going to open this. So it's just a plain backpack with a nice padding on the back, padded sleeves, adjustable. It's got a water bottle slot and another water bottle slot. Or maybe a bat. I don't think it's a bat bag.
I think the reason they buy closeouts also, and you got to figure out when did they even get that. I'm guessing
COVID, because people weren't playing baseball and stuff.
Could be, or I just think it's just the back to school. Yeah. It probably was at the end of the back to school season last year.
Yeah.
You know?
So this is perfect for us because we're actually getting set up for back to school.
Exactly.
In the store. And so we've got this. This is a really sharp.
Yeah.
It's going to be water resistant and everything.
And it doesn't have a team on it, because a lot of the backpacks I looked at were, you know, I couldn't find Cardinals, but I could find like Atlanta Braves, Tampa Bay, various different teams.
So this is generic. So if you just play baseball in high school,
right, or
you play Little League, you know, like an elementary school kid could use this, or a high schooler, or anybody, you know.
Yep.
So
there you go.
We're going to go ahead and stack these. Looks like we got a bunch.
We could put them online and in the store.
Yes, that is the plan. So all this stuff is going to be found on hookedonpickin.com. Alright, so we got a bunch of those. Alright, what's in this box? Looks like it was actually shipped to somebody at one point. And it has Amazon.
Boom!
What in the world? It says Pali, Hawaii. They're sandals.
They're from Hawaii.
They're Hawaiian sandals, size 9.
See, we can wear them when we go to Hawaii. That'd be awesome.
They're the same shoe.
They're what? Are they the exact same shoe?
They're only the right foot.
That isn't going to work.
I will be calling 888 Lots.
Unless you got, maybe you got 2 right feet?
Anybody got 2 right feet?
There you go.
Or you put them on and you just walk in a big circle. That's terrible.
I remember them being pretty affordable.
Well,
now I know why.
All right. Well, we're going to call it.
Are you sure?
Lots. Yes.
Are you sure they're the same?
Look at the bottom.
See, this one looks almost straight, and that one looks curved to me.
No, they're both curved. It's the same shoe. See, look at it from this way.
Well, contact us if you're missing a
right shoe.
2 right shoes. They looked cool, though.
They did look cool. That's super disappointing.
I'm sorry, Heather.
I'm angry now. All right, let's open up something else so that I can not be angry. All right, we're contacting 888 Lots about that because that is ridiculous. All right, this has an Amazon barcode. So it looks like it could be some sort of...
I think you're opening it upside down. That's okay.
You want me to flip it over?
No, I don't.
You want to see the chaos ensue?
I want to see the chaos.
Okay, well, whatever it is, it's well padded. Has a cord.
It is new. That cord looked right.
Yep. What is this?
Ooh.
Oh, I can grip it. All right. It is...
That awesome piece of equipment.
It says Haravac.
It's a Haravac.
Warning. So
it's an ozone generator.
What?
It is.
Ozone. What does that even do?
I think it purifies the air around you.
Oh, okay.
I don't really know.
I thought it would like make an ozone.
Here, look it up.
Okay.
We got to figure this out.
All right. I don't know what kind of stuff this is.
Because...
Listen, as a reseller, you don't need to know what it is.
I can't remember what it is. I thought it has to do with fixing like odors and stuff. Like pet odors and
Okay, that
smoke odors and stuff like that.
Did not scan, so let's do this one. It's going to make me type it in. Yep, that barcode did not scan.
Just type in what is an ozone generator.
Just going to Google it.
She's going to Google it.
What is an ozone generator?
According to NSW Health, NSW Government, an ozone generator is a device designed to produce the gas ozone. Ozone is used effectively in water purification, but ozone in air must reach high levels to remove air pollutants.
Yeah, it basically takes the odors out.
Takes odors out?
And pollution.
We'll put it in all of our children's rooms.
Especially the teenage boys.
Purify the air. That'll be awesome.
All teenage
Well, what does
boy
it say on the
moms.
box?
Okay. Well, it comes with papers.
Well, what are we doing?
It says plug in power cord. Click the knob. Turn clockwise. It tells you how to turn it on.
We're looking for information.
All right. If you do not want the ozone smell, those will need to perform. The ozone machine will start automatically after 10 seconds. Okay. What does it do? This is the conundrum, people. We're trying to figure this out. Here, take that.
I'll take this. Thank you.
Okay. All right. User manual.
Oh, look out.
All right. Here we go. Fan.
We probably
power.
bought bombs. That's probably what they are.
It's a big bomb.
They detect radiation.
Yep.
Something like that.
Yep. Let's see. Use in unoccupied space only. There might be an ozone smell remaining in the room after treatment. Open doors and windows to ventilate for at least 30 minutes after the treatment before people return to the space. Sorry. So basically, what are the benefits of using an ozone machine?
That's what we need.
Powerful odor elimination. Eliminates virtually any malodors from cigarettes, smoke, pets, cooking, musty, and other airborne odors.
That could be good.
Yeah, so
especially smokers.
Well, I was thinking too,
weed shops. You were thinking weed shops, weren't you?
No.
You were thinking weed shops.
We've been on the hunt for a car for Lexi, and one of the things is it a pet-free, smoke-free car?
That's a good idea.
Because we don't have pets, nor do neither one of us smoke. So, I bet brand new car places stick this in a car.
Maybe
or
that's how they
akin
get that.
To it, and you get the new car smell. Maybe it's one of these. It's the ozone smell. All right, what's the difference between an ozone air purifier and regular air purifiers? Air filters are usually the result of physical processes with air. However, ozone air purifiers produce reactive oxygen species, removing peculiar smells and freshening the air. Peculiar. Listen, if your spouse smells peculiar, we have the product for you.
We have the product for you.
So, I think too, let's say you have a shed that smells musty.
If you have a weed shop.
That. Why are you talking
You're
about
into weed.
that?
I know you are.
No. What
yeah,
are you even
secretly.
talking about?
Secretly.
What is wrong with him?
I don't know.
All right. So, that's awesome. Will ozone remove stains and nicotine buildup?
What?
No. It won't.
Oh, Heather. You're not supposed to read the stuff that won't help us sell it.
The machine will produce ozone. Have you ever heard the phrase, smells like rain? Well, people who say that can smell a storm coming are correct. So that basically it'll smell like rain.
Oh, cool.
That's what the ozone smell is that they talk about.
Well, good deal.
All right, now we have all been knowledgeable up. Because that
knowledgeable up.
I sound dumber saying that. All right. We all have new knowledge on the ozone. Listen, at least it was better than 2 right feet. Okay. All right. So that's a cool machine. So we have 1, 2.
Well, so far this has been great.
6.
Good backpack.
Yes.
Shoes that stunk. And things that eliminate stunk.
Yeah.
Eliminate stunk.
We're just geniuses. Batting 1,000.
We are wordsmiths.
Woo, we are wordsmiths.
We're gonna get weird comments on this video.
These people are morons.
Bunch of idiots unboxing stuff.
You need to just go back to school and learn how to speak. All right. Ooh, good. I was hoping we were gonna get more of these backpacks.
Yes.
This is an ozone generator machine.
Well, boom. Is that all that's in here?
And then is this
More of
just
the
all
stuff.
backpacks?
This
Hold on,
is
let me look.
phenomenal.
Are they all the same?
Well, like Heather said at the beginning, to buy from 888 Lots, if they have 34, 35 of these, you have to buy them all.
Yep.
So,
Well,
and
we
then
have plenty for years to come.
sometimes you're able to negotiate with them, which is kind of very different.
Is that how you bought these? With
Usually,
negotiation price?
I really try only to do the negotiation so I can get as
negotiation
cheap as
means
possible.
You basically shoot them a price, they say yay or nay, and you kind of haggle back and forth.
Correct.
Online, though.
I have never met any other liquidation company to do that but them. That's a neat feature that they have.
So this is 888 Lots is
Yep.
who we bought this from.
Correct.
And we'll be contacting them about the 2 right feet.
Yep. That does happen
Hey,
too.
At least it wasn't 2 left feet.
I
that
would
means
I
you
would not
can't
have even
dance.
noticed unless you had said something.
Because I'm a genius.
You are a genius, Heather.
I didn't know what an ozone machine was, but I knew
Now-
it
now
too
we
late.
do.
Now
See?
we do. Everybody does now. What's in here? Ooh, this looks like something different. It's got fancy packaging. Ronyes backpack.
Ronyes.
Okay, quality first, service foremost. What kind of backpack is it though? Let's look.
No one knows, Heather. No one knows.
I'm gonna open this one. Ooh, it's a sharp looking backpack. I think this is a laptop one.
Laptop bag?
I think so.
It's a cool bag though.
Yeah. So it could be probably used for a regular one, but like nowadays, like my kids all have Chromebooks. This is a perfect
Yes.
Chromebook
Yes.
size pocket.
Exactly.
And then, you know, like if you have your cords or whatever. Looks like something was supposed to stick on here though.
Is there?
Maybe it's in.
Is there a flap on the inside maybe?
Yes, there is.
Oh, cool.
So it goes like that.
Now that's neat.
That looks a lot better.
Boy, it does change it a lot too.
Yeah, so it just snaps like this.
You look like you're hiking in the Alps now.
Yes.
Trying to find a weed shop.
Why are you... No.
That's...
We'll bring our ozone machine with us.
There you go. You won't ever smell it.
All right.
Put it in the backpack.
All right, so we have this. Hey, look it. It has a USB
Yeah.
charging port.
That's cool.
So you can like stick your device in there and your cords and stuff.
Charger or
And
something.
then on the inside, it has a spot to put the battery pack. I'm trying to figure this out. Yeah. See? You plug the battery pack in,
That's cool.
and then you can charge it on the outside. Like if you have a phone, you just stick your cord, and you still have your phone, and it's working, and your backpack is
We
working.
saw a lot of people at Disney
A lot of people with these kind of backpacks.
had these little devices that you could charge.
And then this is also where a laptop could go, or if you have textbooks or whatever. But this is a really cool, very upgradable backpack. It's trendy looking. And it's got the nice padded straps and the water bottle kind of side pockets. In both
Boom.
ways.
And we have a few.
All right, let's see. Is this all that's in there? I think that's it. Yeah. So it looks like they're all burgundy color, kind of that.
Was that it? Just 4
Red.
things in these boxes?
Yeah, we just got 4 things.
Well, that's a bummer.
That's what happens when you order 888 lots. Sometimes you end up with 20 things, 1 or 2 at a time, or you order and you end up with 30 some odd backpacks and 16 some odd backpacks.
Yeah.
And
Now the
2
easy
right
thing,
feet.
what do we got? Like only 3 things. We have to contact them about the shoes, but we only have 3 things to list.
Yes.
So that'll be easy to list.
Yeah, we're going to make these available on hookedonpickin.com. The backpacks are going to be in, probably they'll be listed in clothing and...
Well, I would say purses, right? Purses and handbags.
Purses and handbags, yeah. Not in
Probably.
clothing. Yeah, purses and handbags. And then the ozone thing will probably be in household.
Yeah,
like
kitchen and home,
kitchen.
probably. That's what I was
Yeah,
thinking.
or we might stick it under fun finds. Do we have fun finds here?
Yeah, we have fun finds.
Yeah. So, also check out the water shoes we just listed. We had the shipping was adjusted wrong, and so we readjusted the shipping. So we have the water shoes for toddler size 11 and 12. So check those out because we just readjusted that to make the shipping a lot cheaper.
Yeah,
on
it was
those.
what, 12 pounds
Yes.
water shoes.
That
It'd be
was
like
oopsie, and
like
so we
concrete
adjusted
bricks
it.
on your kids' feet.
So we readjusted the shipping. So if you were going to buy those and you're like, oh my word, it costs so much to ship it, well, try again, because now they should ship first class, which should be under $6.
Yep.
So, all right. Well, we have these. We're going to go ahead and list them online. So check it out on hookedonpickin.com. And don't forget, we have a fire sale Monday. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. If you love the content that I give, you can support me on Patreon. Just follow the link in the description below, and I will offer you lots of exclusive things. You can be in the Hooked on Pickin' Coffee Club, have your Naven Lights, be in the Hooked on Pickin' Reseller Club, or the Reseller Pro Club. You get different perks for each club. So if you'd like to support me in my channel, please head on over to my Patreon account and start supporting. Thanks. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.